In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook lead form campaign in 2026. Start by opening Meta Ads Manager and logging into your Facebook account. Once you're inside, click Create to start a new campaign. Next, choose the objective leads. This tells Facebook that you want to collect contact information from potential customers. After that, name your campaign and click Continue. Now, at the ad set level, choose where you want to collect leads. Select Instant Forms as your conversion location. Then choose your Facebook page and connect it to the campaign. Next, set your audience by selecting location, age, interests, and any targeting options that match your ideal customer. After that, choose your budget and schedule. You can set a daily budget or a lifetime budget depending on your strategy. Now move to the ad level and create your ad. Upload your image or video, write your headline, and add your primary text to explain your offer clearly. Next, click Create Form to build your lead form. Choose a form type like more volume or higher intent, depending on the quality of leads you want. After that, add the questions you want to collect, such as name, email, and phone number. Keep it simple to increase conversions. Now add a privacy policy link and review your form settings. Finally, click Publish to launch your campaign. Facebook will now start showing your ad and collecting leads automatically. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Facebook lead form campaign in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.